overall, I mean, P&G has been working with startup for the last few years, and for us, it's what really matters in order to deliver on our business. Is to understand consumers. We are in the consumer business, and in that area, what today's we can really leverage is technology around us. What is, I would say, in the technology business today with the latest, greatest idea, startups. So that's why we are in this field, and that's why we are trying to really bridge the best of the two worlds. To have a great, brilliant business idea for us, it's about superior consumer understanding, and therefore understanding the friction, the problem that the consumer is having with the product, with the experience he has with the brands, and to answer it better than any competitors. So for us, any ideas that is coming from the startup has to have in mind to solve a problem. What is the friction that the startup, that the technology, that the idea is solving in order for the consumer to have a better brand experience? But in fact, I mean, Opinary, yes. The four, first and foremost, the four were very interesting, and we had a very interesting session. I think what is interesting in the one who won is the ability to, I would say, be relevant and timely for consumer with the type of content and the type of expectation the consumer has. So that's what is very interesting. It's a very competitive field, so it's very interesting to work with them in order to, I would say, do some further prototyping in order to understand to which extent this is really answering the consumer friction. Wonderful question. Actually, look, in today's world, and indeed I've been immersed in the startup nation, so I talk by experience. To be successful, you need two set of skills that needs to be together, and this is very new. One set of skills is about, I would say, the scientific aspect, the mathematics, the algorithm, really the data world, the tech world, and the other, I would say, aspect of the skills is more the artistic one, the creativity, the human insights. When you put those two together, you are able to combine what is going to give you, I mean, maximum chances of success. Now, of course, it has to go. It's not enough. It is necessary, but not sufficient. It has to go with leadership. And I would say that in today's world, there is a new level of leadership. I call it integrative leadership. And this leadership, integrative in the sense of across discipline and also inside and outside. And this is only by having this type of leadership with these two set of skills that I believe we have maximum probability and chances to be successful in the marketplace.